How to post Instagram stories on laptop. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram stories on laptop. To start this tutorial, make sure you're logged in when you open www.instagram.com in your internet browser. Now wait for Instagram to finish loading. Once Instagram finishes fully loading, you are now going to hover your mouse on the uppermost part or the upper right part of Google Chrome. Click the three dots and then click on More Tools and then go to Developer Tools. Once you click on it, a window will appear. In here, you will get a view of Instagram in an iPhone XR dimension. This will be easier for us to access adding stories over at Instagram. Once we are here, click on the plus sign that says plus your story and then add a photo or a video, whichever you want to add to your story. Now wait for Instagram to finish uploading your picture. And then click on the plus sign that says plus add your story on the bottom corner. Now wait for Instagram to finish uploading once again. This might take some time, but don't worry, I'm still here. Now it says your photo was added. And now when you view your profile on the upper left, when you tap on it or click on it, you will now see your story fully uploaded for everyone to see. And there you go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you get some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.